If you enjoy riding motorcycles, why is this video the one for you? That because we'll talk about the top 10 most opulent countries' worldwide motorcycles, so just have a seat. As we go over each of these, unwind and enjoy. Such 10, the Virus Alliance 988 is ranked 10th. Hello and welcome to Z. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. The Virus Company developed this innovative, a useful motorcycle in the nation of Italy. It is futuristic and opulently designed. It is made of sturdy, lightweight materials. Materials such as carbon fiber or magnesium. It is hefty, 157 centimeters long and weighs 165 kilos. Wheelbase: it's the output of a 1285 cubic centimeter engine, 145 newton meters, and 205 horsepower torque. Only 20 of these 100,000 will exist. Units created at peak speeds greater than 300 kilometers per hour. The extraterrestrial 988 adopts a flamboyant lifestyle. Outrageous, as well as any other such term, describes completely unique styling. Insane, where the handguards are when seen from above its side, and headlamp variations give it the appearance of a monster making a sudden move toward your face. It resembles an extraterrestrial in every way. The 9th AMB 001 Aston Martins and rougher Superior Motorcycles Martin companies created this constrained motorcycle edition in the nation of France. It is the company's first motorcycle. Aston Martin has distinct characteristics. It was built using circuit fusion. High-performance design. It has a 150 mm diameter and weighs 180 kilograms. Percent wheelbase. Its engine is 997 cubic centimeters. With 180 horsepower and a turbocharger, it has a top speed of 300 kilometers per hour. 100 automobiles will be available per hour and created for approximately $120,000. The AMB 001 was designed to display incredible elegance unheard of in racing bikes. The watchwords for are strength and beauty. This racer exclusively competes on tracks. The Ducati Superleggera V4 is ranked 8th. The motorcycle is a super sports motorcycle. Italy has created Ducati vehicles. It aims to provide the finest quality performance while racing on the track, assuring total reliance on the road. It has a 148-inch diagonal and 152 pounds. Percent wheelbase. Its engine is 998 cubic centimeters. 160 newton meters of torque and 224 horsepower torque. Again, horsepower. It may be between 0 and 100 kilometers in less than 3 seconds per hour and has a top that is electronically controlled. 299 km per hour speed. Only 500 of these cars will be produced. Produced for $138,000. The Icon firm's number 7 Icon Shine has created one of the strongest world manufacturing motorcycles in England. It could be used on public roads, circuits that are competitive because it's adaptable and robust. It has a 250 horsepower 1.4-liter engine. 180 newton meters of torque and horsepower torque. Its top speed is around 320 miles per hour. mph, and has the ability to accelerate less than 3 seconds to go from 0 to 100. There have only been 52 units built overall. They also cost $60,000 each before any construction starts. Icon Sheen customers will get a personalized fitting session. Additionally, this is a chance for you to understand Steve Parrish, a leading developer, writer, and teammate of Barry Sheen. Greatest Pal. A pack of playing cards contains 52 cards. As a result, 52 icon scenes are created. Each bicycle is hand-painted. Representation of a playing card held by a woman wearing a bikini. Michael Fairholm. Additionally painted are Shen's individual helmets. The creator of the vehicle's design. Just one unique Icon Sheen helmet exists. Available to owners voluntarily. The motorcycle, number 6 PGM V8, created by racing in Australia. Paul Malone, an engineer, is the most powerful motorbike in production world. Titanium exhaust is one of its components. pipes, a body made of carbon fiber, and a high screen resolution 242 pounds and 154 inches in length % wheelbase, a 2-liter engine with 334 horsepower with 214 Newton-meters of torque and torque. Its price is $80,000. And it took the creator 8 years. Expanding it despite the fact that the PGM V8 weighs 242 kilos from a set of Marchesini that was soaked in acrylic and forged alloy wheels. Entire system exhaust made of titanium has been included to keep the weight stable. Reasonably low, a few of elite Alines and some beautiful Brembo brakes were selected for the pause to make sure everything stays mostly stable and related to endure all that power. The middle kind one at number 5, it is a beautiful and lavish. Built by the Middle Company, was a motorcycle. France distinguishes it by the superiority of its finishing and is designed to provide strength and accuracy. There are a set of vents on the tank's top. Among the indicators that are used has a 150 centimeters wheelbase and weighs 239 kilograms. cm with a 200 miles per hour peak speed hours per kilometer. Its engine measures 1036 cubic centimeters. With 100 Newton-meters of torque and 1 horsepower torque, there will only be 35 pieces made in total. $185,000 a piece in price. The brand name course in calculus, ensuring that every little aspect of it's from the cut screws to motorcycles, the leather seat with saddle, stitching the dashboard, and his kickstand. Unmatched finishing quality. MTT number 4Y2K is a strong number. Of the marine turbine, a motorcycle technology in the United States has generated indicates that a turbine powers it. Rolls engine, Royce's, which is also applied to helicopters. It has a 172-inch diameter and 208 pounds. Centimeter wheelbase, has a 320 horsepower motor with 576 Newton-meters of torque, and its torque ranges from 0 to 100 in 2.5 seconds with a maximum speed of 365 kilometers per hour or more. Each motorcycle's price, which is created and tailored for each client, is $185,000 for each special bike. After being uniquely made, obtaining the buyer's requirements, they are not continuously mass-produced. Batches Lazarus, number 3, LM847. It's an effective limited edition motorcycle manufactured by Lazarus. French-made products can range in price from 3 seconds from 0 to 100 and is designed to provide the greatest amount of stability. Its ingenious suspension mechanism wobbles, taking the inclination of the curves into consideration. 400 kilograms and a height of 185. Its wheelbase is centimeters, and its 4.7-liter engine from a Maserati with 470 horsepower and torque of 620 Newton-meters, costing $215,000. It has a total of 10 units maximum per production run. Examining Lazarus's LM847 more closely appears to be a mishmash of implausible ideas that have awkwardly been overcreated as an enormous mass of unfixable strain that very likely will never move a wheel on a public road. Number 2, T12 Massimo is a premium model. The Massimo Super Sports motorcycle. It was created in Italy by the Tamburini business, solely applicable to circuits, and was last motorcycle owned by Massimo Tamburini. Weight of the design effort is 55 kilograms. Is designed to be portable, safe, and light. Trim components such as high-strength steel, aluminum, carbon fiber, and magnesium. They produced it using an alloy. Its engine is 999 cubic centimeters. With a combined output of 203 horsepower, just 12 pieces are available, and the price is $980,000. Discussed concerning a price increase. These motorcycles are truly masterpieces. The work of Master Massimo Tamburini. Ultimate products should be thought of as in a unique selection of the best worth. The Harley-Davidson, which is ranked first. The Boucher and the Butcherer Blue Edition. The Harley-Davidson motorcycle by companies developed a modern, luxurious bespoke Switzerland on a motorcycle. Its metal parts were made by hand, and there are 24 screws and other things. Adding karat gold to some of the engine with 148 newtons of torque meters and are visible from the exterior was painted by employing a complicated process for the maker to fix the engine's original shade of blue with a $1.8 million price tag, and includes 2 shielding glass domes. An inner watch and ring, and hopefully that concludes today's video. That you found it entertaining. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the following video. Thank you for watching.